video, and today I'm here with my friend. Say hi.
Hi.
Her name is Helena. I don't think she's ever been on a YouTube video.
I've never been in one of her YouTube videos before, or in any YouTube video.
Yep. And let me turn you up so they can hear you more. Okay. So. And today, I don't know what I'm going to be doing. Oh yeah, I can just hatch this egg. See, I'm going to hatch this egg.
Oh, yeah, that's awesome, Sammy.
Yeah. Okay, by the way, she calls me Sammy, guys, because that's my real name. If you didn't know. But
it's not Ashlyn.
Yeah, Ashlyn's my middle name, but everybody calls me that except people at school, so, you know.
We're not telling you her last name.
Yeah. Because then you would probably, like, try to hack it to myself. Like, putting it
we're
my...
not know that.
Yeah. But we can tell you my first name and my last name. By the way, follow me on TikTok. I showed you my last video what my username was, so make sure to like that video.
You know you said my first name and my last name. You can know that. You mean your first
I
name.
mean my first name and my middle name. I'm sorry, guys.
I caught that. Oh my gosh, why is this slime so hard to make?
So guys, she's making slime right now.
It's freaking hard to make. I'm trying to make Audrey slime, and it's so hard to make.
Yeah, she's making it for me. Oh, here's my friend that joined me that I met on TikTok. She's my friend on Roblox right now.
That's awesome.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, like this is so annoying. It's literally like coming together, but it's so annoying though. It's so sticky.
My egg won't hatch. Like, bruh, want something already, Jungle Egg? So guys, check out my other videos and make sure to subscribe to me and leave a like on all my other videos.
And leave a comment.
Yeah, leave a comment. Let's see. Try to guess my my last name.
Yeah.
It's gonna be really hard.
Yeah. But like, so she will you need to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and comment down below something, whatever she says. I'm just her friend. I don't really have experience about YouTube.
Yep. But and guys, make sure to look out for my other videos, because on my other videos I might be recording something really good, and I'm gonna do giveaways. So make sure you comment down below your username. And I will pick someone from the chat and I'll give them something on Roblox.
Oh, and comment down your favorite song.
Yeah, comment down your favorite song.
We really want to know. What's your favorite song, Sammy?
Chillin' Like a Villain.
Mine probably I'm a Mess.
I'm a mess. I'm a hater.
Wait, let me get copyrighted, so how about we not say that?
Yeah. Oh, my egg is sick. I guess we can go to the hospital if you want. If you really want to.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Guys, and make sure to just look at my other videos, because like I need to have a certain amount of people to look at my videos for like it'll be like the pop one where everybody sees whenever you get on YouTube. So I need a lot of views on it.
Well, she doesn't really care about the money, by the way.
Yeah, I don't want money.
We just want like subscribers.
What if I actually get like a YouTuber flag sign?
Yeah, we just want that. We don't want money. We don't care about the money.
I don't even want a flag sign. I just want to make YouTube videos so people the world can see it.
Yeah. And also, I kind of want to get a YouTube app.
Yeah, kind of, but not that most.
Apparently, it won't let me make YouTube videos, but I don't care.
Yeah, because you could be in all mine.
Yeah. And also, I really don't have that much experience. I'm this slime. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and me and you can share it. Share this account.
We can share this account. You should rename it Helena
you can't. Well, you can rename it, but like you have to pay money to rename it. Well, no, I think you can do it for free, but comment down below if you have to pay money or do it for free, because I don't know. Because I just joined YouTube today.
Well, and also I'm a Cub Scout, and I'm really tired that much though.
Yeah, she's Helena Kilburn. If you know her Cub Scouts, make sure you say hi to her.
I'm not telling you my middle name, by the way.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry I said your last name.
It's fine. You just don't say my middle name.
I won't. You love your middle name.
Yeah. I wish I was called by that, but
Yeah. So guys, you need to comment down below what you think her middle name is too. Something that she really wants. What would be a name you would really want?
Cause mine would be. It starts with a J, by the way.
Yeah, and mine starts with a V. My last name and her middle name starts with a J, and my last name starts with a V. Hey guys, if you come up to me in Roblox, if you see me, I'll gladly friend you or take a screenshot.
Guys, if I had Roblox, I would, but I don't, so sorry about that.
Yeah, I wish you could like play with me. Okay, like play with me on Roblox while I'm recording.
Guys, we're like some good people. We are not hackers, by the way. We're not like Project Zorro, Game Master, none of those people.
Oh my God.
What?
That makes them think we're hackers. Why would you say that?
Guys, just believe me, please.
But guys, I don't know how I'm gonna hack you if I'm just making YouTube videos. All you gotta do is like my videos. That's all I want.
My age is close to Sammy's age, but we're not telling you guys our age. But
Yeah. You draw attention when you act like that.
dude, it's literally sticking to my dang hands.
Okay, well, anyways, guys, I have to do one more thing for my egg, and then I will see you later after this. So at the end, we'll say bye to you, and well, I'm gonna just go around to someone and give them something for free, just to be nice today.
Oh, good. Hey, also guys, I don't know, but we may be making gotcha videos.
Yeah, I don't know if I can post my gotcha videos because I make them on my iPad, but I can probably try to send them to my computer and post them. So I just got $20.
And I could probably send mine to her and make her post them.
Yeah.
But we would have to write, Helena did this.
Yeah. So they wouldn't think it's me, or they wouldn't think it was you for sometimes if I made them. Okay, mine's hatching. What are you gonna be? Oh, I found a Black Panther, but that's cute still. A Black Panther. Anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next video. What do you have to say, Helena?
Yep.
Yep, okay. Bye, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.
Bye.